Okay, so all of you open your EVS book, and offline class we have already completed. Tick the correct options. Give two example of I am fine beta. Give two example each of the following and circle the things that we get from plants. Okay, next today we'll start next page number 83. Okay, so go for no sir math class বলছে কেন এখন math class okay wait student 10:30 to 10:50 your EVS class 2 o'clock, and all of you first mute your microphone. The chapter is plant around us. Chapter plant around plant kingdom. Plant kingdom. Okay, your chapter plant kingdom, and all of you first mute your microphone. All of you first mute your microphone. And page number 83. Page number 83. Go for a nature walk in your school garden or a park. Observe the different plants, write their names in the correct rows. First one, herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers and creepers. Okay, so herbs, two example. Okay, so first one, herbs, two example. Anyone? Herbs. Quickly, herbs, any examples? Write down in your chat box. Yes, Lisa, rose is herbs, not herbs. Herbs means Osmi, cotton, rose. These are herbs. Okay, tulsi, yes, very good, tulsi. Coriander, yes. Rose is herbs. SHRUBS, herbs. Next, so herb is tulsi, mint. Okay. Yes, grass also, very good, grass. Yes. So next, herbs, example of herbs. Next, examples of herbs. Rose, cotton. Okay, and anyone? Cotton, rose, hibiscus. Okay, hibiscus. Next is trees. Trees example. Do it fast. Neem, mango, banyan, BANYAN, banyan. Okay. Yes, mango tree, neem, very good. Henna, okay. Yes. So next, climbers. Next examples, climbers, CLIMBERS. Climbers examples. Next, climbers. Students, climbers examples. Climbers. Yes, grapevine. Anyone? Grapevine or grapes? P, very good. Type fast. Grapes, P. Yes, money plant, very good. So, grapes, P, money plant, sorry, MONEY, money plant. And next, creepers. Creepers examples. Yes, watermelon, Kaushik, very good. Watermelon, pumpkin, bottle gourd. Okay. So, watermelon, pumpkin, PUMPKIN, and bottle gourd, BOTTLE. Bottle gourd. Okay. So, wait. Bottle gourd. Okay, GOURD. So next, leaf patterns. Completed? Okay. All of you students, mute your microphone. Students, mute your microphone fast. All of you mute your microphone. So next, leaf patterns. Collect a few leaves or different shapes from the trees and paint the leaf on one side with watercolor and pick it up and put the painted side on a newspaper. And press it, leap it to see the print. Do this with one color as well. Your newspaper will look good. Use the sheet for packing a gift. Okay, so you may do this in your home. First, collect some leaves of different shapes and paint leaf on one side with watercolor and pick it up. First, collect some leaves, okay, from different shapes from trees, and next paint the leaf on one side. No, I will tell some project, okay, Kaushik? In later I will tell about project. So press it, lift it to see the print and do this with one color and use this sheet for packing gifts. Next, see in your book, Sundoralal Bahuguna. See this picture here, okay? See this picture, this is Sundoralal Bahuguna, is a great environmentalist and he saved many forests in Uttarakhand with his movement called Chipko movement. Okay, so he is a great environmentalist. He saved many trees, forest in Uttarakhand, and his movement is called Chipko movement. Yes, very good. So Chipko movement, find more about him and make a project on the topic, the tree saver. Okay, so Sundoralal Bahuguna is a great environmentalist. He saved many forests in Uttarakhand with his movement called Chipko movement. Yes, I will tell your EVS about your EVS project. Okay. What is the meaning of tree saver? Who saved the trees? Because trees is very useful to us, and today nowadays many trees or many forests are destroyed. So we should plant trees, or we should save the trees. So this is the tree savers mean who save the trees, or who save the forest. Okay. Show your EVS project. I erase the board. Your EVS project, okay? EVS project. Collect some leaves of, all of you write down in your copy your EVS project. Collect some collect some leaves of different shapes from the trees, and paste them in your scrapbook. SCRAP, scrapbook, and write their name. Okay. So collect some leaves of different shapes from the trees and paste them in your scrapbook and write their name. Can you understand, students? Okay. Next, activity sheet 3. All of you write down this project. Okay. Collect some leaves of different shapes from the trees and paste them in your scrapbook and write their name. Can you see the full board? Debosmita. Debosmita, all are okay here? Scrapbook or your copy. Okay. Debosmita, I told this project, collect some leaves of different shapes from the trees and paste them in your scrapbook and write their names. Okay. So next, activity sheet 3, page number 84. Okay, so you may do this, paste these leaves on your copy also. Okay. In your copy also you will do this. Yes, art paper, or you will do these leaves in your copy, in your EVS copy. Some leaves, different types of shapes, and paste in your copy. Okay, white page, in your white page copy, and write down the names of these leaves or the trees. No, color it not. This is original leaves. Okay, if you draw the Yes, original leaves. If you draw the leaves, so then you color it. But this I some leaves of different shapes of different plants. This is original leaves. Can you understand? Okay, okay. Okay, very good. So next, activity sheet 3. Color the fire engine red. This, okay? More leaves, students. More Devasmita, more leaves. Different shapes of more leaves, okay? First, color the engine red. And next, write the names of the place where you need to go to get the following things. Okay, I did write down here. Next, medicines, number B1, medicines. Number 2, fruits. Number 3, withdraw money. Number 4, books and pencils. And number 5, postcard. So first one, medicines. Yes. You can do this in your scrapbook also, in your copy also, okay? Anywhere. First complete this project, then later I will tell your submission date, okay? Okay. So next, medicines. This is write the names of the place where we need to go to get the following, okay? So first one, that is hospital. Next, fruits, that is market. Withdrawal money, that is bank. Books and pencil, that is market. And postcard, that is post office. Okay? Yes, very good. So next, collect some leaves from garden and dry them between the folds of the newspaper and stick different shaped dry leaves here to make a collage. Okay? So this project also. So today's, yes, post office. All of you write down in your copy, do it fast. And now today's time is over. Bye students, and who are present, please respond P in your chat box. All of you, response